Back. This is Adil from System Support Team. So we have already created an SRR in our last session, and now we are heading towards to the booking part and how we can create booking. I will show you in this session. So this is the SRR what we have created last time, and for the booking part, we are need to go on the create booking option. When you click on that, a separate booking tab will be open on your screen, just like that. This is the booking form, and uh, a couple of details will become from the SRR part. Rest of the details we need to mention in this form. Okay. So the salesperson would be the agent name. Right after that, we have to mention the booking party name. Let me have a booking party name, a dummy booking party name actually. It's a free text box, so you can mention anything you want. Then after that we have reference number. Reference number column is not a mandatory column, and we can use it only when we want to mention some of the details for our internal records. Just like if I'm working in an accounts department, and I need to mention some number for my internal record so that I can track my bookings later, so I can mention the reference number. I can give anything as a reference number to this booking. For now, I can keep that column as blank because it's not a mandatory field. But if you want, you can give reference number to your bookings. After that, agent tran number is not would be generated automatically once you save the booking. Then we have a booking number. Booking number similarly will generate the booking number once we save the booking, and system will generate the booking number accordingly. Then we have tran date. Okay, the tran date is the date when we are going to generate the booking in the system. For now, is it 20th of September? So tran date would be 20th of September, and we cannot change this date. It is a system generated date, right? After that, we have sailing date. Okay, so sailing date we can change according to our requirement, but we need to make sure that if we have generated the SRR from 20th September till 30th September, that means the SRR is valid till 30th September, and the validity starts from 20th September. So we just need to make sure that the sailing date should be fall between these dates, like 28, 29, and 30. Beyond the 30th September or before the 20th September, if the sailing date is, we cannot use this SRR in the booking, right? So let's assume the sailing date is 20th September. Then we have cargo status, laden or empty. If we are generating booking for the empty containers, we don't need to use SRR, and we can submit the booking instantly when we select empty over here. But for the laden, we just need to select laden over here. Okay, slot filing and terms are coming from the SRR form, which we have already selected, and the SRR is approved already. Then we have POL code, agent code, carrier. Okay, the feeder operator we need to mention, just like global feeders, for example. If is there a carrier which is not listed in the system, so you can request to the principal office to add the carrier so that you can use it in your bookings. But we have already number of carriers available in the system, so you just need to uh, search it down, like express, type express, and you can find express feeders, right? So let's take example of global feeders LLC. Then we have we have vessels. We have number of vessels. Vessel names are available in the system, like GFS. If we type GFS, so all the GFS vessels will be available in the list. You can select. Otherwise, if you wouldn't be able to find the correct vessel name, so what you can do is you can add the vessel in the system. How you can add by your own self? Just go into the setup, and click on vessel, right? When you click on vessel, just check before adding the vessel, like anything you want, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, is something that we have already maintained, but for now, just like take an example, ABC is not listed, so what you can do is you can just type ABC over here, right, and save it. That's it. But you have to refresh the booking page again so that the vessel name could be available in your list. For now, we are selecting GFS Pride, right? Voyage would be 101. If there is any alphabet is involved in the voyage, so you just need to mention the numbers in the voyage column, and you can add the complete voyage number in the SI part, okay, with alphabets. But in the booking form, you just need to mention the numbers because alphabets will not be accepted by the system in booking form. Then we have POT 1, which we have already selected Jabal Ali. We need to select agent on Jabal Ali so that who is going to handle our shipment. Then we have commodity. Okay, we have a number of commodities are available in the system, just like if we have palm oil, you can select it. Otherwise, if there is any new commodity which is not listed in the system, so you can request the principal office to add the commodity in the system so you can use the same commodity in your bookings, right? For now, I'm just selecting journal. Then we have cargo type, non-DG, DG or flexi, which is coming from the SRR form, which we have already selected. Here we are. Then we have the POL free days and POD free days. Okay, these free days we have already mentioned in the SRR form, so these are coming from the SRR. We don't need to change it. Otherwise, if you want to change it, then you need to revise the SRR because it will not system will not allow you to revise in the booking, right? SRR details and booking form details should be the same. Then we have POD, which we have already selected Karachi. We have to select the agent name, and for Karachi it is mandatory to mention POD terminal as well, right? If you want to select POL terminal as well, so you can select, otherwise you can keep that column as blank. Some of the ports are having the requirement to select the terminal as well. For that, for Karachi we have number of terminals available, so you just need to select the terminal, right? You can find the SRR, the pickup location was Cochin. Then value added service. Okay, if the part BL or switch BL is involved, so you just need to select the part BL or switch BL here so that system will act accordingly, right? If not, then just don't need to select anything. Then we have damage detention currency, POD POL, which is already listed. Damage currency is not available. Remarks, if you want to mention some remarks, you can mention, otherwise you can keep that column as blank. Then we have equipment part. Okay, in equipment part, we have the size, category of the container. First we have category dry, special or reefer. So just select dry. Then we have size 20, 40, 50. Okay, so just select 20 over here because we have created SRR for the 20 feeders. Then we have to select depot and the quantity. Okay, I'm creating a booking for one container because but we have already created the SRR for the two containers, so that one can be used and one will be remaining in the SRR, so that if we have other booking in future for the one booking or for the one container, same POL with the same POD and rate, so we can use it. By clicking on that, it will be reflect on your screen just like that. Okay, then we will go into the revenue part. Is switch BL involved in this booking? If yes, so just select yes, otherwise click on no. Okay, freight type is coming from the SRR form, term for freight, term for slot, which is coming from the SRR form. POL and POD collection details are already mentioned in the system, so you just need to go through it and check if all the details are correctly mentioned. After adding all the details, you just need to save it. Click on yes. Here we go. Booking has been saved successfully, and now you can see that the booking number has been generated and the agent tran number is already generated, ULS 434. The booking number is 214945, and you can see that the booking has been approved successfully. After, when you have booking approved in your hand, you can add the load list and you can add the SI and finalizing your PL, right? How you can do that? Let me show you. Just click on load list and you can download the load list template. Okay, when you click on that, a load list template will be open.